Holiday season is here and I'm here to show you how to create a festive look. Okay, so let's start off with the foundation. So I'm going to create my base, first of all using the CoverFx Foundation, which are foundation custom drops. Now this is excellent because a little bit goes a long way and you get to cover your whole face and skip the whole concealer part. The other product I want to show you is the Makeup Forever HD powder, and this is great because it will create a nice blurred and soft focus to your face, so it helps to minimize fine lines and pores. And the third thing I'm going to be using is the trusted beauty blender. So I've applied 2 drops of the foundation onto the back of my hand and I'm going to use a beauty blender to apply. So next I'm going to be setting my makeup with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder. Okay, so I've done with my foundation and my powder and I'm really loving the coverage that I've got from these 2 products. This is the kind of coverage you're looking for when you do any kind of look before your makeup. You want the base to be nice and even, you want no patchiness, and you want your skin to look natural. So you want it to blend with the rest of your body, and I think it's doing that as well. I'm going to show you how I softly contour my face, and I like to do that because it helps to define my features, and it's a nice subtle way to lift your cheeks as well and define your cheekbones too. So today for contouring I'm going to be using Guerlain's bronzing powder in Ebony. So quick swipe. I like to start off just underneath the apple and go up into my hairline. So for that real glam party look, you want to use a shimmery highlight. Today I'm going to be using Anatasia's Glow Kit in Sundipped. I'm going to show you how to create a bronze smoky eye perfect for the holiday look. I'm going to start with using the cream eyeshadow by Terry in the shade 13, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I have the base on the eyes and I'm going to now blend these out. The next step is to layer on a nice dark bronze shade on top of your base. I'm going to be using this shade called Umber by the Natasha Denona. The next step is to use a slightly lighter shade to put in the inner crease of your eye. I'm using Terracotta. So to create and define your eyes, you want to use a black kohl pencil. I'm using Marc Jacobs Blaquer because I want to exaggerate my eye shape and create a little bit more drama. So I've just increased the intensity of my eyes by just adding a little bit more of the black underneath and smoothed it out a little bit. To finish off your eyeshadow, you want to brighten your brow bone area by using a light color. This also gives you a lifting effect. I'm going to be using the shade Cream. Now I'm going to be using a sparkly color in the inner corner of my eyes to really create an impact. So here's the finished look. I finished off with my lips, my lashes and my liner, and lastly I just powdered underneath my eyes with the HD powder.